This short guide shows how to buy shares of WOK Medical Technology Group Ltd. WOK is a medical technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WOK. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker WOK to find WOK Medical Technology Group Ltd. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to check recent activity. Confirm the company name and ticker match WOK before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade fills, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link is available in the description if you want to open eToro and follow these steps.